Good morning, Sunday, September the 10th, and we're looking at a pomegranate tree. Normally they would flower in the spring, but I don't know why they're flowering right now. They must be getting confused. There's quite a bit of flowers here. Look at that. So, very interesting. So this pomegranate, actually it's I didn't plant it. It actually grew by itself from a fruit I probably ate and threw away the seeds. And it's a self-volunteer plant. There's only one fruit right now. First year, I think it took 3 years from seed. So first year after, well, third year, it gave me like 20 plus fruits. And the subsequent year, last year, which was last year, I got only one big giant fruit. And this year, same thing. There's only one fruit I see in there. Okay, there's that fruit. Only one. Let's see. Only one of it. That's it. And then I guess there's gonna be a couple more from those late season flowers. So maybe I'll get a year-round pomegranate then, with the flowers, late season flowers. Yeah, very interesting. So there you see. Oh yeah, there's a couple more up there. See, flowers up there. Okay, these are the beans that's in out in the front of my yard, and looks like this is ready. Yeah. So they're just starting to produce now. So look at how big these are. And tomatoes I planted really late. I transplanted back in July. Normally I would do it in May, but it's just too busy, and looks like they are starting to produce. And it's like a jungle, tomato jungle is in here. Right there, let's see. I love the color of these, this purple color tomatoes. It's so beautiful. So in the past, like last year, the weird thing with the tomatoes is that the bottom somehow turns black. So this year, since I planted later in July, it doesn't seem to be doing that at all. It's so strange. You see, they look pretty healthy. I'm not seeing any problem issues. Even the leaves, they're doing really great. You see, this tomato is pretty big. I don't remember what the varieties are. They used to have big boys, purple, and I don't remember. see. There you go. A couple more in there, in there. So it'll be a fun tomato hunting when they're ready. And then the status of the rose apple right there. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. So it's September 11th right now. So hopefully it will make it. So lots of tomato right now. And then this is my so this is the phoenix. It's somehow doing pretty slow. So I think it's a 3-year-old plant. It's a bit slow. And then let's see, bell peppers. Look at the bell peppers. Wow. Big giant bell pepper.